Hey guys, just a quick shorty on Aaron's 59 Ford Fairlane 500. Measuring the drive shaft. I believe we are getting a new drive shaft. Don't quote me though. I was just ordered. Hey, fish over there. I got a bird in here. Bobby just told me to measure it, but I believe we're getting a new one. So we have a 3-inch diameter, and I believe, if I recall my measurement right, we're about 56.5 inches in length. So yeah, we got that all measured. It's just quick and easy right there. So hopefully we can get the drive shaft back in this car quick enough, and that's one step closer to getting Aaron's car up north where he's moving. Shot bird.